Welcome back to Local Garden Queens. Gonna do another video today. Let's take a look. As I always start with the Comfrey, it's just getting bigger and bigger. Eggplant, starting to drop some lower leaves. I don't know if this is normal or it's a good or it's a bad sign, but I did see there is another flower getting ready to open up. Have some bugs here on the leaves. We'll see how that works out in the coming weeks. Also, I wanted to show you the sugar snap peas are all coming up. Every single one of them looks like it's coming up. Good germination rate. So on the beds here, I don't see any little seedlings coming up yet. I'm hoping the straw is not going to be too heavy for them to sprout through. And of course the dill here. These seeds are ready to go. I'm going to be collecting them probably after it rains here. We have a hurricane passing offshore later today. And might get some showers, which is great news for the seedlings. Heavy rain is not too good. I wanted showers, so I guess I'm getting showers. Let me show you the cucumber bed. Sorry, the cucumber trellis, where the cucumber is climbing all over. A couple of days ago I did clip some vines here. Also, let's take a look. We can see some production. See a cucumber here and another one developing here. There might be some more that I can't see. Let's walk on over. So this cucumber, it's already at the next trellis, but it's growing up. I was hoping it won't get so high, but I'm sure it's going to get heavy enough and fold back down, and then I'll mount it to this trellis here. So this vine is producing as well. We can see a cucumber in progress, in the process of developing. Also, I wanted to show, besides the sugar snap peas here on this side and on that side where I planted, some of the cilantro's coming up. You can see here little cilantro seedlings. They still have the seed shell on them. Let's have a look at the other bed. So also, I don't see any seedlings here yet. Again, I hope the straw is not going to be too heavy. Of course, the kale is here with the green onions and the Cuban oregano. Took some leaves for a neighbor, or gave some leaves to a neighbor. Here's a bag full of straw mulch. I plan on using eventually. Probably, I was hoping when the seedlings get bigger, I'll put down some extra mulch. Here we have the jalapeno plant, which is producing very well, of course. Jalapenos here, little baby ones here, here, here. Here's a big one here, it needs to be picked. And we have the currant bush. Not doing much. I don't expect it to. I'm gonna have to take some weeds off here so they don't take over, but then again, it doesn't really matter anymore. It's towards the end of the season. They're not going to be around for much longer. And that's the garden tour for this week. Waiting on the little carrot and lettuce seedlings, and of course dill seedlings and the spinach seedlings. Very happy about the sugar snap peas coming up. I'm probably gonna have to run a string on the lower level here so they can start grabbing on. And gonna pick some cucumbers probably in a few days, sometime during the weekend or maybe right after the weekend. So that's the garden tour for this week. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to comment. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.